Get beautiful, steady shots every time with the Amazon Basics 60-inch lightweight tripod with bag. This lightweight tripod is perfect for cameras weighing up to 6.6 pounds and is compatible with most video cameras, GoPros, and digital cameras with a quick-release mounting plate. It has 2 built-in view levels and a 3-way head to allow tilt and swivel motions. The legs can telescope from 20 inches to 48 inches. Plus, the center post can be lifted to reach a height of 60 inches, so you can rise above obstacles. And it includes a carrying bag. You can easily take the Amazon Basics 60-inch lightweight tripod with bag with you wherever you go.
Los Angeles. Oops, I forgot to plug in my microphone. Hey guys, just got to Los Angeles. We're gonna play some music, do some yoga. I'm gonna show you my summer look, and then Venice Beach.
Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Yeah, move with it. Da 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 da. Move with it, move with it. Move with it. with it.
Presenting the Yi 1080p home camera. Incredible image quality with cutting-edge design and smart features makes the Yi 1080p home camera the best in its class. The Yi Home app offers easy monitoring and simple setup. Baby crying detection uses advanced technology to detect your baby's cry within 5 meters or 16 feet and sends an alert right to your smartphone. Two-way audio with noise-canceling microphone features intercom mode to send clear commands and hands-free mode for clear conversation. The Yi 1080p home camera supports up to 32 gigs in local storage, or for the most secure storage solution, subscribe to Yi Cloud to protect all your footage from theft or damage. The Yi 1080p home camera from the leader in home security cameras. Presenting the Yi 1080p Dome Camera. Experience 360 degrees of panoramic view and high-quality 1080p resolution that delivers clear and detailed footage. The 112-degree wide-angle lens with 360 degrees of coverage lets you see every corner of the room, even at night. Lens distortion correction ensures that your footage is clear and shows every detail. The Yi Home app offers easy monitoring and simple setup. Baby crying detection uses advanced technology to detect your baby's cry within 5 meters or 16 feet and sends an alert right to your smartphone. Motion tracking can track movement and send an alert to your phone with a 10-second video clip. Two-way audio with noise-canceling microphone features intercom mode to send clear commands and hands-free mode for easy conversation. The Yi 1080p Dome camera supports up to 32 gigs in local storage. Or for the most secure storage solution, subscribe to Yi Cloud to protect all your footage from theft and damage. The Yi 1080p Dome camera from the leader in home security cameras.